At Escley, we provide high-quality support to people with a disability, their families and carers within the broader community of Tasmania. The 42-bed Escley home is a sophisticated modern care facility in a charming historical residence surrounded by beautiful gardens and peaceful farmland. 4 to 6 bedroom contemporary residential homes in Tasmania's north and south offer supported group accommodation. Residents maintain independent living while working in partnership with support workers, families and the community. Our attendant care services allow independent living for people with a range of disabilities within the comfort and security of their own home. Another important service we offer is respite care. We provide short-term temporary relief to those caring for a family member with a disability who might otherwise require permanent placement in a facility outside the home. We also offer a range of activities and programs aimed at enabling clients to get out and about, become involved in their community and make new social connections. Escley is a privately run not-for-profit organisation. We fundraise through a range of community events and activities, including the Tasmanian Art Award at Escley, Dolan Bear Fair, Escley Echo. The extensive list of support services we offer would not be possible without community support. We are reliant on the generosity and support of people just like you. Donations allow us to provide a valuable service that continually honours the needs of people with a disability in Tasmania, their families and the community. If you don't know someone with a disability, your gift is just as important. You never know when illness or disability could affect you or someone in your life.